Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you a fun and creative way to use stones for home decoration. This DIY project is perfect for adding a unique touch to your living space. Creative stone art is a form of art that involves using natural stones or rocks as the primary medium for creating sculptures, mosaics, and other artistic pieces. Artists who work with stone art often use a variety of techniques such as carving, stacking, and arranging stones to create intricate designs and patterns. One of the unique aspects of creative stone art is that it often utilizes the natural colors, textures, and shapes of the stones themselves to enhance the overall aesthetic of the piece. This can create a sense of harmony between the artwork and its natural surroundings. Creative stone art can be found in various forms around the world, from ancient rock carvings and petroglyphs to modern sculptures and installations. It is a versatile and enduring medium that allows artists to explore themes of nature, spirituality, and culture through the use of natural materials. Creative stone art is a beautiful and timeless form of artistic expression that celebrates the beauty and diversity of the natural world. In creative stone art, artists often draw inspiration from the shapes, colors, and textures of the stones themselves. They may select stones based on their unique characteristics, such as veining patterns, color variations, and smooth or rough surfaces. By carefully choosing and arranging the stones, artists can create visually striking compositions that highlight the natural beauty of the materials. Some artists use traditional techniques such as carving or shaping stones to create intricate designs or figurative sculptures. Others may opt for more contemporary approaches, such as stacking or balancing stones to create abstract forms or installations. The process of working with stones can be both physically demanding and meditative, requiring patience, precision, and a deep connection to the natural world. Creative stone art can be found in a variety of settings, from public parks and gardens to galleries and private collections. Some artists specialize in creating large-scale outdoor installations that interact with the surrounding landscape, while others focus on smaller, more intimate pieces that invite closer inspection and contemplation. Creative stone art is a versatile and captivating medium that allows artists to explore the beauty and mystery of the natural world in innovative and thought-provoking ways. It offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature and create lasting works of art that inspire and delight viewers of all ages. In addition to traditional and contemporary approaches, some artists incorporate other materials into their stone art creations to add contrast and complexity. For example, combining stones with metal, wood, glass, or other natural elements can create visually dynamic compositions that play with texture, color, and form. This mixed media approach allows artists to push the boundaries of traditional stone art and experiment with new techniques and aesthetics. Creative stone art can also be a collaborative process, with artists working together to create large-scale installations or public art projects. This collaborative approach allows for the exchange of ideas, skills, and perspectives, resulting in innovative and impactful works of art that engage and inspire audiences. Furthermore, creative stone art can serve as a form of environmental advocacy, highlighting the beauty and importance of natural materials and promoting sustainable practices in art making. By using locally sourced stones and incorporating eco-friendly techniques, artists can raise awareness about conservation issues and encourage viewers to appreciate and protect the natural world. Overall, creative stone art is a rich and diverse field that offers endless possibilities for artistic expression and exploration. Whether through traditional techniques or innovative approaches, artists continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with stone, creating captivating works of art that celebrate the beauty and resilience of the natural world. Another aspect of creative stone art is the incorporation of cultural and historical influences into the artwork. Many artists draw inspiration from ancient stone carvings, monuments, and architectural structures, infusing their work with a sense of tradition and heritage. By referencing historical motifs and techniques, artists can create pieces that resonate with viewers on a deeper level, connecting them to the rich cultural legacy of stone art across different civilizations and time periods. Additionally, creative stone art can be used as a form of storytelling, with artists using symbols, patterns, and imagery to convey narratives and evoke emotions. Whether exploring personal experiences, social issues, or abstract concepts, artists can use stone as a medium to communicate complex ideas and provoke thought and reflection in viewers. Through the use of symbolism and metaphor, artists can create works that invite interpretation and engage viewers in a dialogue about the human experience. Moreover, creative stone art can also be a form of meditation and mindfulness for artists, as the process of working with stone requires patience, focus, and attention to detail. By immersing themselves in the tactile experience of carving, shaping, and polishing stone, artists can enter a state of flow where time seems to stand still and creativity flows freely. This meditative quality of stone art can be therapeutic and healing, providing artists with a sense of calm and grounding in an increasingly fast-paced world. Creative stone art encompasses a wide range of approaches, techniques, and meanings, reflecting the diverse interests and perspectives of artists working in this medium. From traditional craftsmanship to contemporary experimentation, from collaborative projects to environmental advocacy, creative stone art continues to evolve and inspire audiences around the world with its beauty, creativity, and cultural significance. Another fascinating aspect of creative stone art is the exploration of texture and form. Stone is a versatile material that can be carved, sculpted, polished, and manipulated in various ways to create a wide range of textures and shapes. Artists often experiment with different tools and techniques to achieve intricate details, smooth surfaces, rough textures, and dynamic forms in their stone artwork. By playing with light, shadow, and depth, artists can create visually striking pieces that engage the senses and invite tactile exploration. Furthermore, creative stone art can also be a form of environmental art, where artists use natural materials and landscapes as a canvas for their work. By incorporating stones found in nature, artists can create site-specific installations that interact with the surrounding environment, blurring the boundaries between art and nature. These temporary or permanent installations can highlight the beauty of natural landscapes, raise awareness about environmental issues, or provoke contemplation about humanity's relationship with the earth. In addition, creative stone art can serve as a form of public art, bringing art out of traditional gallery spaces and into the public realm. Stone sculptures, murals, and installations in urban spaces, parks, and public buildings can enrich communities, spark conversations, and inspire creativity in unexpected places. Public stone art projects often involve collaboration with local communities, architects, and urban planners, fostering a sense of ownership and pride among residents and visitors alike. Creative stone art is a multifaceted and dynamic field that encompasses a wide range of artistic expressions, techniques, and meanings. Whether exploring cultural heritage, storytelling, texture and form, meditation and mindfulness, environmental advocacy, or public art, artists working with stone continue to push the boundaries of creativity and innovation, captivating audiences with their unique visions and interpretations of this ancient and enduring medium. Another intriguing aspect of creative stone art is the interplay between tradition and innovation. Stone has been used as a medium for artistic expression for thousands of years, with rich cultural and historical significance in various civilizations around the world. Artists working with stone often draw inspiration from traditional techniques, motifs, and symbolism, honoring the legacy of their predecessors while infusing their work with contemporary sensibilities and perspectives. Furthermore, creative stone art can also be a form of storytelling, where artists use symbols, imagery, and narrative elements to convey personal or universal stories. Stone sculptures, mosaics, and reliefs can communicate emotions, ideas, and experiences in a visual language that transcends words, inviting viewers to interpret and engage with the artwork on a deeper level. Through their creations, artists can explore themes such as identity, memory, myth, and spirituality, connecting with audiences on an emotional and intellectual level. Moreover, creative stone art can be a meditative practice for artists, offering a space for introspection, focus, and mindfulness. The process of working with stone requires patience, precision, and dedication, as artists carve, shape, and polish the material to bring their vision to life. This hands-on engagement with the physical properties of stone can be a transformative experience, allowing artists to connect with the natural world, cultivate a sense of presence and flow, and tap into their creative intuition. Creative stone art is a dynamic and evolving field that encompasses a wide range of themes, techniques, and practices. Whether exploring tradition and innovation, storytelling, meditation and mindfulness, or other aspects of artistic expression, artists working with stone continue to push the boundaries of creativity and imagination, inspiring audiences with their unique interpretations and reflections on the world around us. And there you have it, a beautiful and unique piece of stone art for your home. We hope you enjoyed this DIY project and feel inspired to get creative with stones in your own home decor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Thanks for watching.